Okay, now let's understand how to rotate this cube. There is x, y, and z degrees given to it. What happens if I want to rotate it 45 degrees in the x direction? Let's the x direction. Now currently the x direction is right side of me. So what will happen if I put 45 here? As you can see, the cube has turned 45 degrees. Now let's try to put 45 in the y direction. And what has happened? The cube has moved 45 degrees in the other side. So in this way, we can rotate our cube based on the values we put in x, y, and z direction. Now the last part is the scaling part. Now how to scale this cube? So what is scaling actually? Scaling is changing the size of the cube based upon our requirement. So first we'll weave it in this direction. Now let's put some value over here. Now currently it is 1. Let's put 5 over here. Press enter. See, our cube has increased its size in x direction. See, isn't it? Now what will happen if I increase it in a y direction? It should increase in this direction, right? So let's try to put 5 over here. See, isn't it increased in also y direction? Now what will happen if I put 5 in z direction? Now if I move my viewpoint scale like this, if I put 5 over here, my assumption is it will grow in this direction, right? So let's put 5 over here. See, it has grown in z direction. Now if we can see, the size of our cube has been increased. Let's go back. Let's again put 1 over here. 1.